Enrichers Investment Group, converting to real wealth.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Saeed Yusuf from Enrichers Investment Group and here with the daily market analytics update. Up-to-date market insights help trader to encash and capitalize most of the opportunities. So we as Enrichers are here to guide you and assist you. If you have any concerns or suggestions, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll be happy to assist you. Giving you the week's update, Wall Street closed on record highs on Friday, led by Apple and Microsoft. On economic front, the University of Michigan's preliminary data on November was unexpectedly dropped to a 10-year low. The Labor Department also couldn't perform very well as workers are quitting on record numbers. The key data for this week is the retail sales, which is expected on Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the latest development in the financial markets. I'll start with the oil prices. The oil prices, after having a bullish trend, now is being traded at $80 threshold, and that is because of the strong US dollar, and also now Joe Biden is facing some calls and is working on the SPR. Moving ahead with the yellow metal prices, the gold prices surged and posted weekly high gains since May, and now the gold prices are moving upwards from $1,870 threshold. It can be expected a further bullish momentum in the gold prices. Advancing to silver prices, the silver prices moved after rallying sharply to a 3-month high in the light of weak US dollar and fall in the US Treasury yields. On Forex board, the US dollar performed mixed against the G10 last Friday. Currently, the dollar is hovering around 16-month high as traders are expecting a further bullish momentum in the dollar prices. The Euro USD fell to 1.1445, whereas the pound appreciated 0.08%. The dollar yen also gained to $114 threshold. Lastly, on Wall Street, the three major indices outperformed. The Dow Jones appreciated 0.46%, the S&P 500 appreciated 0.69%, whereas the Nasdaq added 0.96%. So it's a wrap for today. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and do hit the bell icon for more market trends and updates with Enrichers Investment Group. Thank you.